Myself Megha Manilal, and this is the network topology to demonstrate IPv6 routing. Here in this IPv6 static routing, there are 4 types of static routing. First one is recursive static routing, second one directly attached static routing, a fully specified static route and default route. In this topology, there is 2 wide area networks and 3 local area networks. The network address of this network is 2001 db8 1:1/64, and this is of 1:2 and this is of 1:3. These are the 3 local area networks, and the 4 wide area network, it is of A001 and this is A002. First we have to give the IP configuration of each PC. Here this is in this static routing, we have to assign the IPv6 address 1:1 and the IPv6 gateway and link local address. If you go to the command prompt and type IPv6 config, we can see the link local IPv6 address here, and the IPv6 address and the default gateway in this command prompt. After giving the seeing the IPv6 configuration, if you want to configure the routing, first we have to take the router and then we have to give enable conf team, and then we have to give the interface int fa0/0, and then after giving the interface, then we have to give the IPv6 address, IPv6 adder 2001 is to db8 1:1/64. This is the IPv address of this first network. After giving the address, now we have to give the other serial interface int s. Here in this topology we can see it is 0/2/0 s, so 0/2/0 for the first network. And after giving the serial, we have to give the IPv6 address of the network address 2001 is to db8 is to 1 is to A001 is to 1/64. So first for this router we have given the directly connected interface, first interface and the serial interface. This is the first directly connected interface local area, and this is the serial interface. After entering the command, we have now configured 2 directly connected networks, but this router doesn't know the existence of other 3 networks. This 1, 2 and 3, these 3 networks existence is not known by this router or the networks. So to connect the indirectly connected network, again we have to configure conf t, and then we have to give the other indirectly connected network address IPv6 route 2001 db8 1:2/64, and then 2001 is to db8 is to 1 is to A001 is to 2. This is the indirectly connected network, first indirectly connected network, and the second indirectly connected network will be the wide area network A002, and the third indirectly connected network will be the third local area network, that will be of 1:3. So now we have already configured the three indirectly connected networks. This is how we give the commands. After giving the commands, now we have to see whether it's pinging. And so if this router knows the existence of other routers, so we can send the packet successfully from one network to the other networks. Similarly, we have to configure all the routers. Then to check whether it is pinging, we have to choose the PC and the command prompt, and then we have to give the ping command. Before that, we can check whether this packet can be sent successfully. If you want to send the packet from the second network to the first network, we are successfully sending the packet, so it means that we can ping successfully. Ping, we have to give the command ping 2001 db8 1:1:1. Replace coming from the gateway. So these send packets are 4 and the received packets are 4, and there is no lost packet, so 100% we can successfully send the packet using IPv6 routing. This is how IPv6 routing can be configured. Thank you.